Introduction. Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, your go-to channel for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and upcoming launches. Today, we dive into the 2026 Honda CB100, a bike that aims to redefine the 100cc commuter segment with classic simplicity, everyday practicality, and Honda's signature reliability. Classic yet modern design, the 2026 Honda CB100 features a design that's both timeless and practical. With a clean, minimalistic body, a round headlamp, and flowing fuel tank lines, it embraces a classic motorcycle aesthetic. Modern touches like LED lighting and refined finishes give it a fresh look that fits today's roads. The overall design is simple, functional, and appealing, perfect for riders who love understated style without unnecessary flair. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the CB100 is powered by a refined 100cc single-cylinder engine engineered for smooth performance and fuel efficiency. This engine delivers responsive throttle control and dependable torque that makes city rides and daily commuting effortless. Honda has tuned the power plant to prioritize usability and mileage over peak power, ideal for riders who value practicality and confidence in everyday traffic. Ride comfort and handling. Comfort is a strong suit of the 2026 CB100. Its upright riding posture, comfortable saddle, and easy-to-reach handlebars make for a relaxed riding experience, whether navigating busy streets or cruising on quieter roads. The suspension setup, telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, absorbs bumps effectively, providing a stable and comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. A balanced chassis ensures light handling and confidence at low and moderate speeds. Practical features and usability. The CB100 focuses on essentials that matter to daily riders. A clear analog instrument cluster displays speed, fuel level, and trip information at a glance. LED lighting improves visibility and efficiency, while reliable drum brakes and balanced tire grip ensure controlled stopping power. Its compact size and nimble nature make it easy to maneuver in traffic, perfect for students, office commuters, and first-time riders alike. Everyday riding experience. What sets the 2026 Honda CB100 apart is its everyday usability. Its smooth performance, predictable handling, and excellent fuel economy combine into a bike that's affordable to own and easy to ride. Whether you're navigating urban commutes or short weekend rides, the CB100 offers confidence and reliability without complexity. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CB100 is a motorcycle that embraces simplicity with purpose, blending classic design, smooth performance, and everyday comfort into a practical package. It's a bike built for riders who want dependable commuting, fuss-free ownership, and Honda's trusted engineering. Thank you for watching this detailed feature on Classic Bike Drive. Stay tuned for more motorcycle reviews, news, and launch insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.